Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai or Kia with a 2.4 Gdi engine. If you have one of those guys and you need to remove or replace coolant temperature sensor, stay with us. We'll explain how to do it and how to replace it and where it's located. But one thing you need to do, if you don't do it guys, okay, you can severely damage your engine to the point that you may need the engine rebuilt or replaced. So stay with us and we'll explain what simple mistakes some people make. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Another thing, if you need to buy tools and parts for a good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. With that being said, we can clearly start on it. Now, what do you need to do? This is guys a 2.4 Gdi engine out of a Hyundai. That same engine has been used in Kia as well, and most of the parts say Hyundai Kia, even the engine mount right here. So now, as you can see guys, okay, before you replace the coolant temperature sensor, what you need to do, you need to drain your engine coolant. Never drain the coolant when the engine is hot. Always let it sit overnight. Slowly release the radiator cap, very slowly. Keep away, because if it's hot or has pressure, it can spray. Never open when it's hot, by the way. And then you need to drain the coolant. Now, if you want to see how to drain coolant on Hyundai, guys, we have the video on the channel and it's going to teach you step by step and where the drain plug is located. Ours is already pre-drained. Okay, once we do that, let's explain where the coolant temperature sensor is located. We'll go ahead and remove the upper engine cover, okay, so we can actually gain a little bit better perspective. If you come right here on the right side of your engine, you can see that's your thermostat housing, the whole housing. And if you look at that sensor here, that's a coolant temperature sensor. So how do you guys remove it? Okay, now let's explain. You can remove it, okay, the connector first by pressing down there and pulling out. Careful not to, okay, scrape your fingers on a metal, bolt, anything like that. Now that spring right here needs to come out slowly. Grab it and pull it out. Perfect. Okay, now that sensor could be really stuck. It has a seal that if it's really dry, it may not come out easily. Ours did. If you want to see how to test that sensor, we have a special video that's going to explain that and teach you everything from start to finish. How to test coolant temperature sensor on a Hyundai. Very easy procedure guys, by the way. And you'll find out if it's working or not. Once you replace it, procedure is the same. Install it, put the spring and plug the connector. But there is one thing you need to do. Most people will add coolant and start driving. That's a big mistake. What you need to do guys, you need to add coolant and bleed the cooling system. If you don't bleed the cooling system, what can easily happen, you can overheat the engine to the point that you may need new engine or the engine rebuild. We'll have a procedure video that will explain how to bleed cooling system on Hyundai. Please check it out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.